Did you know that more than 1 in 10 Americans have diabetes? And millions more don't even know it yet? The scary part is that the early signs are often subtle, and most people ignore them until it's too late. Today, we're uncovering 10 early signs of diabetes that you should never overlook. Diabetes is one of the fastest growing health concerns in the United States. What's alarming is that millions of people may already have diabetes or prediabetes, but don't even know it. Why? Because the early signs are often subtle, easy to dismiss, and sometimes even mistaken for everyday fatigue, stress, or minor health issues. That's what makes diabetes so dangerous. It can quietly damage your body for years before you ever get a diagnosis. The good news is, if you learn to recognize the warning signals early, you can take control of your health, make lifestyle adjustments, and even prevent serious complications. Imagine being able to protect yourself from future heart disease, kidney problems, nerve damage, or vision loss just by paying attention to your body today. In this video, we're going to explore the 10 most common early signs of diabetes that you should never ignore. These aren't just random health quirks. They are your body's way of sounding the alarm, telling you something is wrong with your blood sugar and metabolism. Some of these signs may surprise you, and others might feel all too familiar. So if you ever wonder whether your fatigue, your thirst, or even your sudden weight changes mean something more, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end, because knowing these early signs could be the key to protecting your long-term health and living a stronger, longer, and healthier life. Constant thirst. Do you feel thirsty all the time, even after drinking plenty of water? This is one of the most common early signs of diabetes. High blood sugar forces your body to pull water from tissues, leaving you dehydrated. If you're constantly reaching for a glass of water but never feel satisfied, it could be your body signaling high blood sugar. Backhand index pointing right tip. Track how often you feel thirsty and discuss it with your doctor if it feels unusual. 2. Frequent urination. When your blood sugar is too high, your kidneys work overtime to filter and remove the excess glucose. This leads to frequent urination, especially noticeable at night. If you're waking up multiple times to use the bathroom, it's worth paying attention. Backhand index pointing right tip. Frequent urination paired with constant thirst is a strong sign to get your blood sugar checked. 3. Unexplained weight loss. Losing weight without trying might sound like a good thing, but in the case of diabetes, it's not. When your body can't use glucose properly for energy, it starts breaking down fat and muscle instead. This leads to unhealthy weight loss and weakness. Backhand index pointing right tip. If you lose more than 10 pounds in a month without trying, consult your doctor immediately. 4. Constant fatigue. Do you feel drained even after a full night's sleep? Diabetes affects your body's ability to use glucose for energy, which means your cells are starving while sugar builds up in your blood. This mismatch leaves you feeling tired all the time. Backhand index pointing right tip. Don't ignore constant tiredness. It may not just be stress or lack of sleep. 5. Blurred vision. High blood sugar can pull fluid from the lenses in your eyes, causing swelling and blurry vision. Sometimes your vision clears when blood sugar stabilizes, but over time, uncontrolled diabetes can damage blood vessels in the retina and lead to permanent vision loss. Backhand index pointing right tip. If your eyesight changes suddenly or frequently, get both your eyes and blood sugar checked. 6. Slow healing wounds. A small cut that takes weeks to heal is not normal. High blood sugar damages blood vessels and reduces circulation, slowing down the healing process. This also increases the risk of infections. Backhand index pointing right tip. Pay attention to cuts, bruises, or sores that linger. It could be an early diabetes warning. 7. Tingling or numbness. Diabetes can damage nerves, leading to a condition called diabetic neuropathy. Tingling, numbness, or burning sensations in your hands, feet, or legs are often early warning signs. Left untreated, this nerve damage can become permanent. Backhand index pointing right tip. Don't ignore persistent tingling. Catching nerve issues early can prevent long-term damage. 8. Frequent infections. Do you often experience gum infections, skin problems, or recurring bladder infections? High blood sugar weakens the immune system, making it harder for your body to fight off bacteria and fungi. Women may also notice frequent yeast infections as an early symptom of diabetes. Backhand index pointing right tip. If infections keep coming back, ask your doctor to check your blood sugar levels. 9. Increased hunger. Feeling hungry right after eating could be a sign of insulin resistance. When your body doesn't use insulin effectively, glucose can't enter your cells for energy. As a result, your brain keeps sending hunger signals, even though you've already eaten. Backhand index pointing right tip. Constant hunger combined with fatigue and weight loss is a strong reason for a diabetes screening. 10. Dark patches on skin. Dark, velvety patches of skin, often around the neck, armpits, or groin, may be a condition called acanthosis nigricans. This is often linked to insulin resistance and can be one of the earliest visible signs of diabetes. Backhand index pointing right tip. If you notice unusual skin changes, especially dark patches, consult a doctor for further testing. So those are 10 early signs of diabetes you should never ignore. If you notice one or more of these symptoms, talk to your doctor and get your blood sugar checked. Remember, the earlier you catch it, the easier it is to manage. Backhand index pointing right. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe to Wellnify for weekly health tips to help you live stronger, longer, and healthier.